Kasi ng surprise witness, siya lang nakakaalam eh. Hindi ko po inawat eh.
6 people ang nandun.
Okay, sir.
Ex-Congressman Saldico, of course, Senator Bong Revilla, tapos Senator Cheese. Lahat ng nag-PPI ngayon, yun ang kasama doon.
Senator Joel, Senator Jinggoy.
Yeah.
You confirm that?
And ex-Congresswoman
Mitch. But no Romualdez, sir. What?
ibang kategory. Meron din recommendation kay former Speaker Romualdez.
Okay.
Pero hindi siya kasama doon because ginag-authorize namin based on corroborative evidence eh. Kasi all others, yung nasa first category, not only the legislators, pati DPWH officials, marami yun, may COA, lahat. Pero sa legislators, kinategorize namin sila into different levels. Yung pinakahuling level, ito yung na-mention ng pangalan, pero walang validation at saka walang corroboration.
Pero bumanat rin si Senator Ping Lacson tagging Marcoleta as defender of Beijing dahil sa mga kontrarya na pinagsasabi that he held grudges dahil pinalitan ni Lacson si Marcoleta as the Blue Ribbon Chairperson, na siya ay pabida from the flood control debacle to Sara's impeachment sa mga Diskaya hanggang sa West Philippine Sea at Kalayaan Group of Islands.
While in his 2 recent privilege speeches, he mostly referred to this representation as the BRC chairman, in my manifestation today, I will refer to him by his name. Like on many past occasions, I could have effortlessly dismissed Senator Marcoleta's statements as I refuse to dignify his ego-driven provocations. But when the attacks shift from professional to obsessively